Everyone, Neil Carlson here on a Monday morning at 7:15 on the last day of 2018. And what's going on? We've got a blizzard warning up and down the valley along the Red River. Just leaving, gonna drive from Crookston now on Highway 2 to Grand Forks for you commuters. Take a look at that. But one thing I've noticed, the road is polished. Let me hit the brakes here a bit. It is icy. Very icy. We've got temperature, looking at Grand Forks, sustained winds out at the airport of 26 miles per hour, 43 miles per hour wind gusts, temperature of minus 13, wind chill values as low as minus 44 degrees. And it's not a great way to end the new year. The best thing about this, according to the Weather Service out of Grand Forks, it should end, the wind let up by around noon today. But we're in a blizzard warning up and down the valley on either side of the Red River until noon on this final day of 2018. So hopefully the winds will die down here if you're headed out for a little New Year's Eve celebration tonight. Drive up around the corner here and you'll see what the open road looks like. Give you a better idea if you've got to be traveling in the Northern Valley, east and west, or north and south in the Grand Forks area. I'm going to test the road one more time here. It's just, the road has just turned into glare ice. Touch the brakes and just slide. So I guess that wind polished it up all night. Visibility is doable so far. We're just going to go a little farther so you can get out past the trees guarding the road here on this curve by UMC. See the signs flopping in the wind there. Wind gusts of 46 miles per hour. Not good. Sure, and right when you get to all those driveways and sidewalks cleaned off, it looks, from what I can tell, about maybe an inch or less of an inch of snow here overnight and late yesterday afternoon. Not much. What we had is now blowing in the wind. All right, this part of the road is protected by a shelter belt. You'll get the real feel of what it's like out here in just a bit after we get past this protected area. See a DOT truck up there off to the left, kind of hard to see. We're just coming up to the 75 bypass. There's a DOT truck in the other lane. It's dark out here. And now here's the full force of the wind across open country. Visibility is doable, but roads are icy. So we're in a blizzard warning. If you have to be out and about this morning, take her slow. Covering the Northern Valley, I'm Neil Carlson reporting for iNews.tv.